everyone, it's Jocelyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm super excited because I'm going to be opening a glossier package. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep on watching. So when you first open the package, you see this and it just says glossier on it. And inside is what you ordered. So there's what I ordered. So inside it has like this little plastic bag and it's super cute. And I also got this perfume sample, which I'm gonna open it to see what it smells like, because I didn't order the perfume. That actually smells really good. Yeah, so I got a perfume sample with my purchase, but now to see what I actually ordered. So I ordered 4 things. So the first thing I ordered was the Glossier Mint Balm.com. When I was first ordering this, I didn't know if I should get the mint or the coconut, but I decided to go with mint just because I like mint a little bit more. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm not going to be trying these products in this video just because I'm going to do a separate video where I try all the products that I bought. Next, I got the Glossier Cloud Paint, and this is in the shade Dusk. Just looks like that. This one's really cute. I will do a swatch for this one. So that's what it looks like right there. It's a really pretty color, and that's why I went with it. And I'm just gonna rub that in. So that's this one. I went with the color Dusk just because ever since I watched Glossier reviews, I always wanted this color just because I thought it was so pretty. So yeah, there's that. Next, I have the Lash Slick, and it just looks like this. And then when you open it up, get this mascara. I've wanted this mascara for a really long time now just because of how cute the packaging is, and I heard it has a really good formula. I'll open it up just so you guys can see the bristles. They look like that. Yeah, so I'll be trying this out in my Glossier video where I try out all the products I got today. And then the final product that I bought was the Glossier Boy Brow. I got this one in the shade brown, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, brown. So I got this one in the shade brown. I did have a Glossier Boy Brow before, but I ran out of it, so I had to buy another one. So it just looks like this, and then the brush just looks like. Overall, I rated it 5 stars. It came pretty quick, and everything I ordered is in there. That was everything I ordered from Glossier. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!